In 2025, we're checking out the all-new 2025 Audi SQ8 e-tron, a high-performance electric SUV that combines the best of the classic Q8 e-tron with the sporty power of the RS e-tron GT. Let's take a closer look at what makes this model truly stand out. Welcome back to my channel Auto MT. Please like, share, subscribe. First up, let's talk about the battery. Audi has upgraded the SQ8 e-tron's battery to a larger 106 kWh unit, up from the previous 86.5 kWh. Despite the increased capacity, the battery maintains the same size, which means more energy in the same space. One of the most exciting features is the fast charging capability. With the ability to charge up to 170 kilowatts, the SQ8 e-tron can go from 10% to 80% charge in just about 31 minutes, making it perfect for those on the go. The SQ8 e-tron is also designed to go the distance. Thanks to improved aerodynamics, Audi has made significant strides in reducing drag. Active air shutters and air curtains help optimize airflow, while the golf ball principle used underneath the car further reduces resistance. These aerodynamic enhancements allow the SQ8 e-tron to achieve an impressive range of up to 253 miles on a single charge, depending on the wheel choice. That's a big step forward for electric SUVs, making long trips more feasible than ever. Now, let's get to the performance. The 2025 SQ8 e-tron is powered by a trio of electric motors, one in the front and two in the rear. Together, these motors produce a robust 426 horsepower. But if you need a little extra thrill, the boost function ramps up power to a peak of 496 horsepower for short bursts. This gives the SQ8 e-tron the kind of power that'll put a smile on your face, whether you're cruising down a highway or taking on some twisty back roads. And speaking of handling, this SUV is a joy to drive. The steering is precise, the suspension is firm yet comfortable, and the car grips corners with surprising agility, making it feel more like a sports sedan than a large SUV. While it's fast, the acceleration doesn't always feel as dramatic as you might expect, and this could be an area Audi tweaks in future updates to make the power delivery feel a bit more immediate. The braking system in the SQ8 e-tron is another standout feature. Audi has integrated a smart regenerative braking system that adjusts the amount of energy recovered during braking. This helps to extend range while providing a smoother driving experience. Depending on your driving style, it can make the car feel a little more or less responsive, but it's always effective in recovering energy and improving efficiency. On the road, the SQ8 e-tron offers a perfect blend of comfort and performance. It's just as luxurious as the regular Q8 e-tron, with top-tier materials used throughout the cabin, creating a refined environment for both driver and passengers. Whether you're in the city or on the highway, the ride is smooth and quiet, offering that unmistakable Audi sense of luxury and sophistication. The technology inside is equally impressive, with an intuitive infotainment system, digital displays, and a range of connectivity features that ensure you stay in touch with the world while keeping your focus on the road. As for pricing, the 2025 Audi SQ8 e-tron starts at $90,995, which puts it in the range of other high-performance electric SUVs, yet it offers a compelling combination of sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance. With this model, Audi has successfully merged luxury with performance, creating an electric vehicle that stands out in a crowded market. In conclusion, the 2025 Audi SQ8 e-tron offers everything you'd want in a modern electric SUV: impressive range, quick charging, superb performance, and top-tier luxury. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly electric SUV or a thrilling driving experience, the SQ8 e-tron is a fantastic option to consider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews.